Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a dashboard in Google Data Studio. If you want to turn raw data into beautiful and interactive reports, then this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. Google Data Studio is a powerful free tool that helps you visualize your data and create professional dashboards for business, marketing, analytics, or personal projects. To get started, open your browser and go to Google Data Studio. Sign in using your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard page where you can create and manage your reports. Now click on the Blank Report option to create a new dashboard from scratch. Google Data Studio may ask you to select a data source before continuing. The next step is connecting your data. You can connect data from Google Sheets, Google Analytics, BigQuery, CSV files, and many other platforms. Select your preferred data source and authorize access if needed. Once your data is connected, click Add to Report. This will load your data into the dashboard workspace. Now it's time to build your dashboard. On the top toolbar, you'll see options to insert charts, scorecards, tables, and filters. Start by adding a chart. Click the Chart option and choose the type of visualization you want to use, such as a bar chart, pie chart, line graph, or table. After placing the chart, customize it using the Properties panel on the right side. Here you can change dimensions, metrics, colors, labels, and styles. Next, add filters and date range controls so users can interact with the dashboard. This makes your report dynamic and much more useful. You can also add text boxes, images, and shapes to improve the design and make your dashboard look more professional. Once everything looks good, click the Share button in the top right corner. From here, you can invite others to view or edit the dashboard or generate a shareable link. And that's how you create a dashboard in Google Data Studio. It's a simple but powerful way to present your data clearly and professionally. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.